How to recover deleted stories on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's really difficult to recover deleted Facebook stories. However, here are a few options that you can try. So Facebook may have automatically saved your stories if you turned on the archive feature. So how can you check that? Open your Facebook app, log into your account, tap on the three horizontal lines or the profile picture icon in the top. Now go to your profile. Tap on the three dots beside the Edit Profile option. Then tap on Archive, which is below Create Another Profile. Tap on Story Archive in the top. And if your story is there, you can repost or download it. Remember that if the Story Archive feature was not turned on, your deleted stories will not be saved here. Now, if you recently posted this story and it might be included in your Facebook data, you can try requesting a data download. For that, you need to go to Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings, go to Account Center, tap on Your Information and Permissions, tap on Download or Transfer Information, and select your Facebook account. Choose the available information or the specific types of information according to your preference. Now select whether you want the data to be downloaded in your device directly or transferred to a destination like Google Drive. Set the date range as well, notification email, format, and media quality. After that, tap on Create Files, and your information is now being prepared to download. So this downloaded file might contain your stories, photos, or videos if they were backed up. You can also try checking your phone storage or your camera roll. If you created the story on your phone, look for it in places like your phone's gallery or the Photos app or the Google Photos app and cloud backup services like iCloud if you're using iPhone. So if your story was not archived and not saved elsewhere, Facebook does not provide a way to recover permanently deleted stories. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.